Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a simple and comforting bread butter pudding, soft bread, creamy custard, and sweet dry fruits, all steamed gently without an oven. Let's start the recipe. Pour 2 cups milk into a pan and bring it to a boil. Bread pudding originated as a way to use leftover bread. Stirring continuously. Add 1/3 cup sugar. Stir milk continuously to avoid burning. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup water with 2 tablespoons custard powder. Mix until smooth. Add this to the boiling milk and keep stirring. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until thickened. Custard powder adds creaminess without heavy cream. Turn off the heat and cool the custard completely. Now crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat well. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Now add the cool custard mixture and combine gently. Always cool custard before mixing with eggs. Cut 4 bread slices into small pieces. Grease a 7-inch glass mold with oil. Layer bread pieces at the bottom. Add tutti frutti and golden raisin. Pour the custard mixture. Then add black raisin. Boil some water in a pan. Place the mold in the pan and steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Steaming keeps the pudding extra moist and soft. Milk provides calcium and protein. Eggs add richness and essential nutrients. Cool slightly before slicing. Bread pudding tastes even better once slightly cooled. Homemade pudding avoids artificial preservatives. Steaming uses no frying or baking fat. Your bread butter pudding is soft, creamy, and perfectly comforting. Serve it warm or chilled as you like. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy homemade dessert.